Hello everyone! Today I'm going to guide you through a gentle but powerful mobility flow to ease morning stiffness and wake up the entire body. So let's begin in mountain pose. Lengthening to the spine, pressing down the soles of the feet strongly on the floor. Let's bring some energy through the body through a little active breath work. So inhale, imagine you're lifting that energy, that breath all the way up to the top of your head. As you exhale, bring it down back to the belly, back to your energy center. Close your eyes if you wish, if it feels good. We're going to do 2 more times. Deep inhale, bring it up. Nice and slowly moving with your breath. And as you exhale, bring it down. Inhale once more. Exhale down. Squeeze the belly in. Now next time we're going to bring it up. Inhale here. Lengthening to the spine. You're going to reach your left wrist and pull your left arm up. Inhale here, pull the arms up. Exhale, you're going to step with the left foot to the right and pull your arm here to bend to the right. Open your left side of your body. Exhale, squeeze the belly. Inhale, back to center. Now we switch. Grab your right wrist, pull it up, lengthening. Exhale, twist, bend to the left, step with the right foot to the left, side bend. Nice and gentle. Inhale, bring back. Release the arms. Bring the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Nice and slow here. Don't need to go too deep yet. Bring the feet a little bit wider. Hands down. We're going to bend the knees and sit in your squat as slow as you can. Inhale. Exhale, press it up. Extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. Deep inhale mindfully here. Listening to your body, listening to the crackings as well in your joints. Waking up your joints. Just a couple of times like that. Slowly extend, add a little bouncing. Bring the hands down, bend the knees if you need. Step back, bring the knees down. And we're gonna do little warm up for the wrist. Fingertips to the sides. Add some little movements side to side. Keep pressing the hands strongly on the floor and breathe. Start to bring the fingertips now towards your legs. Option, walk it closer to the legs if it's too deep for you. Add any movement that feels good. Walk the fingertips back to the sides. Now bring the dorsal of the hands down. We're going to do little push-up, but shift away a little bit more to the legs. Let's do some gentle push-ups to strengthening and wake up our wrists and forearms. Nice and gentle. Breathe. Now bring the palms back down underneath your shoulders and press the hands strongly on the floor. Inhale, pull the chest forward, tailbone up. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. Squeeze the belly in. Inhale, pull the chest forward, tailbone up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, tuck the chin. One more time. Inhale here, pull the chest forward, lean forward a little bit. Exhale, round your back, tuck the tailbone. Start to lean back to your child's pose. And deep inhale here, reach your hands forward. Exhale, rounding your back. Nice, like a wave motion here. You're gonna coming forward to your cobra. Like a wave motion, little spinal waves to wake up your spine. Here we don't want to keep the shoulders close to the ears, so pull the chest forward. Inhale. Exhale, tuck the chin, the tailbone, round your back, roll back to child's pose. Just 2 more times like that. Inhale, round your back, nice and gentle and slowly to your cobra. Exhale, tuck the chin, Round back to child's pose. One last time. Inhale, rounding. Pull the chest forward. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. Round in child's pose. From here, we're gonna do some movements to lizard. So here, you're gonna look at your left hand. Start to shift your way forward and bring your left foot outside of your left hand to lizard. Inhale, back to your child. Exhale, right foot outside of your right hand, sinking the hips. Inhale, child. Exhale, left foot. Inhale, child. Exhale, right foot outside of your right hand. Inhale, child. Exhale to the left. Nice. Maybe you can go a little bit deeper. Inhale, back to child. Coming up, now we're going to just step back. Feet align the heel to heel. And now bring the heels in. So you're going to bend the knees here. Focus on form. Knees back. Pelvis forward, chest open, straight line with your spine, and just add little movements side to side. You can bring your hands in your heart, but trying to keep the chest open, shoulders relaxed. This is amazing to wake up your hips, your knees, your ankles, your entire lower body, but keeping the core tight here. Just a little bit more. Now we stop here in the center. Add some little pulses. Really, really good to strengthen those muscles. Breathe. Option, you can lift the heels and hold. Maybe add some little pulses. Maybe bring the arms forward to help with balance. And drop the heels. Now from here, just bring the toes forward. Just go side to side lunges. Another way, really beautiful movement to wake up your legs, your glutes, and your joints. Now slowly come into a seated position. Sit bones rooted, lengthening the spine, flex and point the toes. Feel that movement. Press the knees down. I already told you about this move. It's really good to strengthening those quads and hip flexors. You just press the knee down a couple of times. Now bring the hands behind you. Open the chest. Bend the knees. Press down the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands. Super strong here. Open the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the hips. Open the chest. Squeeze the belly. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. And squeeze. Open the chest. Beautiful movement for your shoulders and glutes as well. And core. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Once more. Press those hands and the soles of the feet. Slowly bring it down. Here, bring the feet a little bit wider. Just drop the knees side to side. Another beautiful movement for your hips. Keep the core tight and the chest facing forward. Nice. Breathe. Now laying on our backs, we'll press the soles of the feet down. You can press your hands down as well and lift the hips. Again, we want to keep those legs super strong. Press in the floor. The glutes are active and the core is active as well. Just for 3 times. Lower, nice and controlled. Vertebra by vertebra. Inhale. Exhale. Press it up. Squeeze those glutes. Squeeze the belly in. One more time. Inhale, lower. Nice and slow. Exhale. Press it up. Hold here. Squeeze the belly in. Bring the arms up or keep the hands down. And we're just going to march a little bit here to wake up your deep core muscles even more. This is amazing. We're going to strengthen one glute at a time, one leg at a time, while waking up your deep core muscles. Breathe. Squeeze the belly in and slowly lower. Hug the knees. Add little movement side to side. Bring the legs 90 degrees. Open the arms to the sides. Drop the knees to the right. Look at your left arm. Feel that nice twist. Nice release for your lower back. Deep inhale, keep your left shoulder rooted. Exhale, maybe press with your right hand the knee a little bit more down. And you feel that twist a little bit deeper. Deep inhale once more. Exhale fully. Inhale back to center, 90 degrees. Keep the core tight. Drop the knees to the left. Look above your right arm. Deep inhale. Exhale, press the knee down. Feel that a little bit deeper twist in your lower back. Keep your right shoulder rooted and deep inhale. Exhale, maybe you press the knee a little bit lower. One more deep inhale here. Exhale, release. Nice and slow. Bring it back to center and you are ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this helps you feel more grounded, more open. Let me know if you try and what would you like to see next. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Namaste.